Welcome back to the next session of index numbers. We are in the process of doing various types of problems on index numbers from additional question bank. Look at the question number 34. Question number 34 of additional question bank. Price index number of Darvish Bowley. This is equal to 150. Price index number of Fisher. This is equal to 149.95. Then price index number of last year, comma price index number of past year is equal to question mark. You have to find out the values of. Last year index number and past year's index number. Okay. Let us take price index number of last year as X, price index number of past year as Y. So, X plus Y by 2 is equal to 150. Darvish Bowley's index number is given as 150, which is nothing but arithmetic mean of last year and past year's index numbers. So, cross multiply X plus Y is equal to 300, equation number 1. X plus Y is equal to 300, equation number 1. Next, xy under root is equal to 149.95. xy under root is equal to 149.95. Squaring on both the sides. 149.95 into is equal to 22,485. Equation number 2. Okay. 1, 2 unknowns are there, 2 equations are required. So let us say x minus y is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy under root a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So a minus b is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab under root. So this is equal to 300 whole square minus 4 into 22,485. This is under root. 3 3s are 9 and you will get 4 zeros minus 22,485 into 4. This is equal to 89,940. 89,940, this is under root minus 90,000. So this is 59.99. X minus y is equal to 59.99. This I am approximating to 60. Now, x plus y is equal to 300. X minus y is equal to 60. So for this I have to take root, 59.99. For that I have to take root. Square root of this value 7.745. This is 7.745. So this is 7.745. Subtracting one from the other. 2x is equal to 307.745. X is equal to 307.745 divided by 2. This is 153.87. 153.87. X value is obtained. What is X, sir? Price index number of last year. 153.87. 153.87. Now, x plus y is equal to 300, y is equal to 300 minus x. So 300 minus 153.87 minus 300. 146.87 13. So price index number of Paste is 146.13 and last year index number is 153.87. Okay, in the study material there is a print mistake, so your calculations are not coinciding with ICA material options given. Don't worry further. Check up your calculations one more time. If there is no mistake, you are 100% correct. Fine. Note down the solution. Now, next question. Next, question number 35. With the base year 1960, with the base year 1960, the cost of living index number CLI, the cost of living index number in 1972 stood at 250. Mr. X was getting a monthly salary of rupees 500 in 1960 and rupees 750 in 1972. Calculate the additional compensation. Calculate the additional compensation. Calculate the additional compensation. This is the question. This is similar to that of your 30th question. Now, where will I concentrate in the question? Additional compensation. Now, whenever I have to calculate additional compensation, what will I do? I will calculate the salary according to index number. One more time I am repeating this point. Whenever I have to calculate additional compensation, then salary is calculated according to index number. Look at this, sir. Base year data I am writing here. For an index of 100, why index is taken as 100, sir? Unless otherwise stated, base year index is always taken as 100. One more time. Unless otherwise stated, base year index is 100. You remember this as a rule. Okay. Now in the question, index of current year is given. Index number of current year is given. But index number of base year is not given. So I have to take it as 100. So for an index of 100, salary is 500. Salary is rupees 500. So let us go for current year. For an index of 250, salary is rupees 750. Here also you can write rupees 500. Salary is rupees 500 for base year. Current year salary 250. Now, in which way this problem is different to my 30th question? In the 30th question, base year index was given, current year index was given, base year salary was given. Now in this particular case, current year index is given, current year salary given, base year salary given, index of base year is not given. No problem. We can take base year index as 100. So for an index of 100, salary is equal to 500. For an index of 250, salary is 750. For a while, forget about current year salary. For a while, forget about current year salary. Calculate the salary according to index number. Calculate the salary according to index number. For an index of 100, salary is rupees 500. For an index of 250, salary is question mark. For an index of 100, salary is 500. For an index of 250, salary is question mark. So this is 250 into 500 divided by 1000. Okay. 1250, the worker has to get salary. The worker has to get salary 1250 rupees if I calculate his salary according to index number. But how much he is getting? 750 he is getting. So subtract 750 from this 500. Rupees 500. Therefore, additional compensation is equal to rupees 500. Additional compensation is rupees 500. Okay, this you have to calculate. This way you have to calculate. Fine. Note down the solution. So next question, additional question bank 76. See, I am not doing in a sequential manner, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, because in index numbers that process is not allowed. So additional question bank, this 76 is same as your question number 30, question number 35. All application areas problems are at one place you are getting. Follow the same sequence when you are revising or when you are doing the problems of index numbers. Okay, this is the way to study index numbers. Consumer price index number. Consumer price index number goes up from 110 to 200, and the salary of a worker and the salary of a worker is also increased from 325 to 500. Calculate the additional compensation. Calculate the additional compensation. This is the problem we have. So whenever it is a problem of additional compensation, the process is same. You have to calculate the salary according to index number. Okay. See the solution. Base year. This is for an index of 110. Here base year index is given 110. For an index of 110, salary is rupees 325. For an index of 110, salary is rupees 325. So for an index, this is current year data. For an index of 200, salary is question mark. I am not considering the current year salary. I will take it later on. Rupees 325 divided by 110, 200. This is 200 into 325 divided by 110. 590.90. This is rupees 590.909. From this, let me subtract current year salary. So this is rupees 90.909. You can also approximate this to rupees 90.91. 90 rupees 91 paisa. So what is the additional compensation? 90 rupees 91 paisa is the additional compensation. Okay. Now see the next question. This is additional question bank. 81st question. Net monthly salary. Net monthly salary of an employee was rupees 3,000 in 1980. The consumer price index number, price index number in 1985 is 250. Calculate additional compensation. additional compensation. Calculate additional compensation. Look at the question. Net monthly salary of an employee was rupees 3000 in 1980. The consumer price index number in 1985 is 250. It means index number of current year only given. Index number of base year is not given. No problem. Calculate additional compensation. So whenever it is calculation of additional compensation, we have to calculate the salary according to index number. That is the first point you have to get in your mind. Second point is, when index number of base year is not given, when index number of base year is not given, we have to calculate by taking it as 100. So look at this solution. Base year for an index of 100, salary is rupees 3000. For an index of 100, salary is rupees 3000. For an index of 250, salary is question mark. For an index of 250, salary is question mark. So you can take it as a 250 into 3000 divided by 100. Rupees 7500. Rupees 7500. Okay. Now this is salary according to index number. This is the salary according to index number. One more point to notice from the given question is current year salary is not given. Assuming the worker is getting same salary in the current year also. So if I subtract that 3000 here, what is the answer? Rupees 4500. Rupees 4500. Additional compensation. Additional compensation is equal to rupees 4500. Additional compensation is equal to rupees 4500. Okay, note down. Okay, next. Now additional question bank. Additional question bank 36. Calculate Fisher's index number. Fisher's index number from the following data. Fisher's index number from the following data. We have a group of commodities A, B, C, D. Base year price, base year quantity consumption, current year price, current year quantity consumption are given in the question. 4572. This is a 3423. This is a 6691. This is a 2425. For a calculation of Fisher's index number, 4 more columns are required. P0, Q0, 4 3s are 12, 5 4s are 20, 7 2s are 14, 2 3s are 6. These calculations you have to do on calculator using memory plus concept. Since I am explaining the question to you and I am preparing the solution, so I am following the traditional approach. Okay? P0, Q1, 4 2s are 8, 5 4s are 20, 7 2s are 14, this is 10. P1, Q0, 3 2s are 18, 4 6 are 24, 2 9s are 18, 3 1s are 3. P1, Q1, 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 9 2s are 18, 5. Now, price index number by Fisher. Summation of P1 Q0 by summation of P0 Q0. Summation of P1 Q1 by summation of P0 Q1. This is in root. Outside the root it is 100. Look at this. Even though for the last 34 years I am teaching, 86 November was my first batch. Every time I am writing the formula. Okay. So you also do the same practice. So P1 Q0 total. P1 Q0. Let me get the totals here. P0 Q0 12 plus 20 plus 14 plus 6. 52 is the total. This is 8 plus 20, 14, 10, 15. This is 8 plus 20 plus 14 plus 10. Again 52. Let me check up this first value. 52 is 2 times. Yes. Next. 18 plus 24 plus 18 plus 3. 63. Next. 12 plus 24. 12 plus 24 plus 18 plus 5. 15. This way totals are obtained. When totals are obtained, substitute P1 Q0 63 into P1 Q1 59 divided by P0 Q0 52 into 52 under root. So this is 63 into 59 is equal to 3717 under root 60.967. 60.967 divided by 52. Oh. Wait a minute. It is multiplied with 100. So this is equal to 60.967 divided by 52 into 100. This is divided by 52 into 100. 117.244. 117.2446. 2446. Again, don't raise a doubt. After decimal, how many numbers we have to take up? 1 or 2 numbers enough. Okay. So Fisher's index number value is 117.2446. Next question. Additional question bank, 40th problem. You have to calculate index number from the given data. That statement I am not writing. Look at this. This is group. How it is given: food items, clothing, power and fuel, rent and rates, and the last one is miscellaneous. Weights are also given. 35, 15, 20, 8, 22. Index number, or you can say price relative. Index of each commodity given: 425, 235, 215, 115, 150. 115, 150. This is the data given. This way, the information, in this question, the information is provided in a different way. Let them give any format, we can prepare the solution. Don't worry for that. Now first let us interpret this column. What does it mean actually? When your earnings are 100 rupees, you want to spend 35 rupees on food. You want to spend 15 rupees on clothing, 20 rupees on power and fuel, 8% on rent and rates, 22% miscellaneous, including saving. This way you have prepared a budget. What is the weightage you have given for the items this group is having? What is the weightage you have given for the items this group is having? So that 35% weightage is given for food, 15% weightage is given for clothing, 20% weightage is given for power and fuel, 8% weightage is given for rent and rates, 22% weightage is given for miscellaneous. First of all, you have to interpret the question. Okay, then we can proceed for the solution. Whenever weights and index is given, you calculate WI. 35 into 425, 15 into 235, 20 into 215, 8 into 115, 22 into 150. Look at this, sir. To save my time here, I am using calculator, that memory plus concept. 35 into 425 is equal to memory plus. 15 into 235 is equal to memory plus. 20 into 215 is equal to memory plus. 8 into 115 is equal to memory plus. 22 into 150 is equal to memory plus. Recollect memory. When you press MRC button, grand total is obtained. This grand total is 26,920. 26,920. So, price index numbers by weighted arithmetic mean: 26,920 divided by 100. 26,920 divided by 100. 269.2 is the index number. 269.2. 269.2 is the index number. 269.2 is the index number. Okay, note down the solution.